Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
The grass ain't green on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say
goodbye. In today's video, I am finally doing a DH haul. So if you are subscribed to me on Patreon, you've definitely have seen all of these products. One of them in particular I got in like May last year. So this is definitely very much a collective haul, but literally there's pieces in here that I showcased back in May of last year that you guys still haven't seen yet. If you do like this content from me, this is all you want to see from me, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my Patreon. I do have a free trial going on right now if you guys are interested in, sampling and seeing if you want to subscribe beforehand. I do have, quite a few videos that are for my free members as well. So I will leave that in the description box below if you guys are interested. One last thing, and if you guys ask in the comments below, I will refer you back to this exact timestamp, okay? So if you have any questions regarding any of these items, I cannot help you here on YouTube. You're gonna have to message me on Instagram or check out my IG bio. Hint, hint, wink, wink. You can definitely check out my IG bio. All the answers to your questions are there. Or if you guys want to go ahead and follow me on Patreon, that's also an option. I do personal shopping and that sort of thing on there. So if you are looking for a specific thing and can't find it, you can definitely do that. So let's get right into the video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I do like my DH hauls. I do like doing these on my channel, but it's also very, expensive to do these videos very frequently on my channel, so I don't do them as often as I would like. However, you guys will be seeing some DH Lulu hauls in the next little bit, I promise you. So if you enjoy those types of videos, definitely hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into the video, you guys. The first thing is this little cutie right here, this little tiny box. Can you guys guess what this is? Can you guys guess what this is? If you said card holder, you were right. So I have already done an unboxing on this as a short, actually, because when I first got this, I was really excited to open it. I wanted to kind of gauge my first impressions with it and all that stuff. So I did actually end up filming a short with this. So it comes in this really nice like velvet packaging. And this is the color that I picked right here. So it is a beautiful Tiffany blue. Very pretty, definitely a lot different than what I normally go for. I actually don't have anything from this brand in this particular color. I've always wanted something in this color. I always thought I would get a bag, but I ended up with a wallet because it just stood out to me. There's a couple colors that stood out to me from the color selection they had. They had a lot of colors available. I was gonna be boring and get black, but then I was like, maybe I should be a little bit adventurous. I was gonna get pink, and then I'm like, that's still not adventurous enough. Let me go ahead and get one of my favorite colors because they have it. They also had a deeper version of this in like a teal, but that one was already sold out. I did get it in this beautiful caviar leather because I prefer caviar leather. I honestly hate lambskin or anything smooth leather. I'm not a fan of that. I like grain leather. I like things with texture. I feel like it looks more expensive if it has that. And then you get a really nice, gold logo right there in the middle. It does come with this card, and you get the front compartment for your cards. You get 2 on the back, and then you get 1 in the middle as well. So I have other card holders from a different brand, a very popular brand. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. And I feel like that card holder is a lot smaller than this one. I feel like this one has a lot of space, but I'll have to see once I fit all my cards in here. I am planning to use this really soon because I've been wanting to switch wallets now for quite a while. And I'm a little bit worried about the color on this one, but I think it should be okay. So that is the first thing. This is something that I got a really long time ago, like I said, May of last year, and I still haven't shown it to you guys. It is this right here. And let's go ahead and take it out. Any guesses on what it is? This is so cute. This is the Strawberry Ophidia bag. I'm hoping that I'm actually pronouncing that correctly, but it does have the strawberry charm right there. And this one sold out so quickly. It is such good quality. It is so nice. I'm pretty sure this is still available. I honestly bought this expecting this part to be material, you know, like a material type bag, but this is actually a nice like coated canvas. I'm pretty sure you guys can tell when I run my fingers over it. It's like a coated canvas, so nice. The logos and everything are absolutely beautiful, and the strawberry charm's so cute. So I love this. I use it as like just a normal little chain bag. It does fit quite a lot for being such a small bag, but I am used to carrying around my Lulu belt bag, and that honestly fits nothing. It's so annoying. So this, when I get to wear bags like this, I'm like, it's so roomy, but it's also so tiny at the same time. So let's go ahead and open it. I do have the strap on the inside because I actually haven't used it, but it is really, really good quality. It has leather on the one side, and then it's just a really thick, I've talked about this material before, and I've compared it to a seatbelt. It has like seatbelt material as the main material on it, but yeah, that is what it looks like. I just am not a fan of long straps like this. I'm not a fan of chunky straps. I'd rather just carry something under my shoulder or just like this, just like a little handbag moment. It is stuffed because I do like to keep my bags, you know, somewhat in good shape when I'm storing them in my closet and stuff like that. It does come with a little tag right here. And the inside just looks like this. It is just your average material interior, and you do get a pocket right there. You just get one pocket, but it is actually pretty roomy. I actually put my hand sanitizer and my keys in there, if you guys are wondering. But yeah, it is a pretty roomy bag. It does fit quite a bit, and it is so cute. This is definitely one of my favorite DH purchases ever. I'm just gonna stuff everything back inside. It's also from one of my favorite sellers on Dhgate, and I have been shopping with her for years now. So that is this cutie. I love this bag, and I think that this is going to be a spring staple for me. I thought that way last year, but I got it really late in the year. Like, I think I ordered it in May and maybe got it in June or something. Definitely wanting to wear this a lot this year in the springtime. I think it's perfect. So that's that. Okay, let's move on to this piece right here. This is a jacket. Obviously you can tell from me just pulling it off the hanger. I wore this in Arizona quite a bit, so if you guys want to see this on me, you can definitely look at my Arizona vlogs, because I am wearing this in quite a few of the clips, because this was the only jacket that I brought with me to Arizona because I thought it was going to be super hot there and that I would never need it, and why would I need a jacket? This is so light. It's just like a windbreaker, but it is better quality than I thought it was going to be. When I first got the package, I was like, is this gonna be a sweater? Did I get scammed? It's supposed to be a jacket, but it was like folded in a way where it was very compact, very, very, very thin, and it came in just like regular letter mail. It wasn't even like a parcel, so I was kind of low-key worried about this one, but it has exceeded my expectations. I've washed it twice already, and the logo is still on there and going strong. So that is the brand of this jacket. And I was gonna include this in like a Lulu DH haul, but I decided that I would include it in today's video because I don't really have a ton of items to show you. But yeah, I really love this color. I think that the lavender is really beautiful. I do wash it inside out just, you know, in case, to keep the logo there. I haven't had issues or anything with it. I did get this one in a size large, so I did size up in this and it actually fits perfectly. Take of that what you will, but I highly encourage you guys to size up. I'm normally between an extra small and a small, and I got it in large and it fits perfectly. So you might have to size up or two. If you are medium, normally I would get this in an XL. What I love most about this jacket is it does have interior pockets. So your stuff is gonna be very secure if you're gonna put your phone in here and wallet and stuff like that, because I put my wallet on the outside pocket. It doesn't have a zipper or anything like that, and it like fell out instantly. So I started just stuffing all of my things on the interior pockets, and it's so secure and nice. So I'm just gonna really quickly put this on for you guys to kind of show you what it looks like. But like I said, if you want to see this in action with me wearing it and stuff like that, definitely check out my Arizona vlogs. I think it's in the Antelope Canyon one like the most, but this is what it looks like. It is my favorite coat that I have purchased in a while, like my favorite springtime coat, and definitely my favorite coat that I've purchased on Dhgate. I've only purchased like a few coats on Dhgate, but this is definitely like a top one. It's definitely very practical. I am going to be wearing this a lot, especially on my hikes and stuff like that. I think it's the perfect material, and it's very lightweight, very easily packed and all that, and it's kind of on the short side. I can't really like back up very far. There you go. It's kind of short, but I honestly don't mind it. I think it's really cute, and it's a really functional jacket. So with DH, sometimes you can kind of get things just for the style or just for the brand, but I feel like this is both. It functions as a really good jacket, a really nice windbreaker. Doesn't keep me warm though, that's the only thing. This is just a shell. It's not going to keep you warm at all, especially if it's like super cold outside, but it does block out the wind decently nice. It's cute, and yeah, I love it. So that's that. And the last thing is my most recent. It did come in a box. I just unboxed this for Patreon. So this is the box that it came in. It does come with a dust bag. I was just too lazy to put everything back in, but it does come with a dust bag, and it comes with the care booklet right here. And this is the bag right here. It is a belt bag, and this is definitely one of my favorite, actually this is my favorite style from this brand. And I have been wanting this for a while because I do own this already in a deep emerald green. It's one of my favorite bags that I own, and I wanted it in gray for the longest time, and then I found it on Dhgate and I was like, well then I'll just get the DH version. So this is what it looks like. I do 100% feel like this is mirror quality. I feel like the other previous bag that I showed you, actually all the things in this video is pretty mirror quality in my personal opinion. Like they're all really good, and I wish you guys could feel this leather. It is so nice, and I've been wearing this a lot lately. I do love the color. I always love gray bags. Gray is like a favorite for me. Like I said on Patreon, this kind of reminds me of like a stormy day, but like in the best way. I think it's really beautiful, and I honestly want to own it in like all the colors that it comes in because it is my favorite style. And what I love most about this is the fact that all of my stuff fits in here. So my phone fits in here, my wallet, my keys, all of that fits in here just fine, and it is so roomy, but it's still like a small and cute bag. If you are wondering, this is the nano size. They do offer it in Pico as well, which is an even smaller version of this. It's like the mini version, but I don't think that that one is as practical as I would like it to be. If you are wondering on how you open this bag, this flap right here, basically open. It is magnetic. You pull it over, and then you do get a zipper right here, which is nice, so your stuff stays really secure. And then this is what the interior of the bag looks like. It is a nice like microfiber lining, if you guys can tell. And then the inside of the bag just looks like this. It's like really roomy. You don't get any compartments or anything like that. You don't get any side pockets, but that is perfectly fine. I tend to utilize those in bags, but like it's not a must-have for me. I do just like having enough space and being able to fit everything in here. I don't always zip the zipper part either. If I just close the front, that is fine with me, because it can get kind of annoying when you are at a store trying to pay and you have to like undo this part and then unzip it. It's just a lot. So sometimes I just leave the zipper part actually open, and I don't feel like my things fall out or anything like that. I think it's pretty secure and pretty nice. So that is that. I'll show you guys what the bottom looks like. It looks like that. I absolutely love this bag, and I absolutely love the color, everything. And I do wear it crossbody or longwise as well. So crossbody or just longwise. I can also carry it like a little handbag, and it's super cute. So yeah, that is pretty much all for my DH haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it's like a long time coming. Like I feel like I've had some of this stuff for a very long time. If you guys want current DH hauls, you want more in-depth reviews of all the products where I can like freely speak my mind about each thing, definitely subscribe to me on Patreon. That is the place to be if you guys like this content. So with that being said, if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you want more videos like this, if you want more content like this, please let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you in deeper than I